how to send USDT to Telegram wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can send USDT to Telegram wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Telegram app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, tap on Settings. Then tap on Wallet. After that, tap on Dollars. Then tap on Receive. Now select the network on which you want to do the transaction. After that, tap on Continue. Then tap on Copy Address. Now open the Trust wallet or any wallet from which you want to send USDT to Telegram wallet. Over here, scroll down and search for USDT Tron. Then tap on it. After that, tap on Send. Now paste the address that you copied from Telegram wallet and then enter the amount of dollars that you want to send. Then tap on Next and USDT will be sent to Telegram wallet. So that's how you can send USDT to Telegram. That's all for this video.